Do you ever wonder why most traders give up after just a few months? It's because they failed to stick to a structured plan. Warren Buffett once said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." And that's what we're going to discuss today: patience, discipline, and following a proven strategy to trade successfully. Now, let's dive into today's update. It's been an incredible few weeks in the ES market, and there's been one pattern that has mattered most: the buy dips regime. Since April 6th, we've seen ES in a clear uptrend where every dip gets bought. No matter the size or duration, those dips get bought, and we've profited from it. The key is understanding the broader trend and knowing when to enter. That's where the failed breakdown setup comes in. It's been the core strategy that's guided us to consistent profits. Let's break it down. For the last 2 weeks, ES had been building a large, bullish descending triangle pattern. The support range was 5,978 to 82, with resistance at 6,081. As I mentioned last Friday, my lean is we work back up to 6,050, then 6,081. Above there, we can try breakout to 6,099, 6,124, 6,143, and by Tuesday, we hit 6,143, and that's when the breakout happened. So what's the magic behind this? The answer lies in institutional behavior. Institutions leave footprints on the chart when they accumulate positions. The strategy they use is the failed breakdown. They wait for price to flush below key support levels, triggering the stops and trapping shorts, then they buy when price recovers. It's a pattern we see repeatedly, and that's how we profit from it. Take last Sunday, for example. ES flushed below 5,978 due to geopolitical news and created the perfect setup for a failed breakdown. We saw the same thing earlier this week, where ES recovered from 5,978, triggering longs and creating a 175-point rally. This is how we took advantage of the setup. But here's the psychology behind it. Patience is everything. We didn't chase the market, and we didn't try to predict where it would go. We simply reacted when the market provided the right opportunity. When you wait for the setup, the results are consistent. Now, as ES reached 6,081, the task for bulls was to defend this breakout and continue higher. And that's exactly what we saw. The key takeaway is that ES game plan focuses on finding these setups, executing them with precision, and sticking to a proven strategy. What does this mean for you? By joining the ES game plan, you'll have access to back-tested, proven setups that have been tested through real market conditions. And it's not just about the trades, it's about being part of a community that's dedicated to success. With ES Game Plan, you'll get access to real-time trade alerts, Discord updates, and support from like-minded traders who are all focused on following a structured approach. Ready to trade with a proven strategy? Sign up for ES Game Plan today, and let's take your trading to the next level. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and let's continue growing together.